Join your palms near to the chest. Take a deep breath and exhale.
Well, my personal belief is health is wealth. जो इंसान अपने अच्छे स्वास्थ्य का आनंद लेता है वही सबसे ज़्यादा अमीर है. And that's why I have come to pause, recharge my batteries and revive at this gorgeous wellness center amidst greenery. Welcome to Nimba Nature Cure in Gujarat. Always recommended offbeat destinations, cool places to hang out, but सच बताऊं तो my idea of a holiday is beginning to change. I have come to a place where healing and health comes first.
निम्बा नेचर क्योर इन मेहसाना, जो अहमदाबाद से 60 किलोमीटर दूर है, एक ऐसी जगह है जहां मॉडर्न साइंस, ट्रेडिशनल प्रैक्टिसेस और एंशिएंट विजडम ऑफ आयुर्वेदा, नेचुरोपैथी एंड योगा के जरिए आप अपनी फिजिकल, मेंटल और इमोशनल हेल्थ को रिवाइव कर सकते हैं.
Well, सबसे पहले तो what is a health holiday? Health and wellness holidays are a growing and an increasing tourism form around the world. मतलब आप अगर एक effective तरीका ढूंढ रहे हैं to unwind, relax in a beautiful location, then health holidays are for you.
Nestled amidst nature, spread across 32 acres, Nimba Nature Cure has lots of greenery, serenity and positivity. इस जगह का एक ही मकसद है, आपकी वेल-बीइंग.
यहाँ रहने के लिए there are comfortable and spacious rooms surrounded by lots of natural beauty. I'm sure आप सोच रहे हैं if a health holiday is meant for you, यह आपके मम्मी पापा के लिए ही ठीक है. Well, trust me, with increasing stress and anxiety levels, a holiday like this is ideal for anyone who is looking for a break from the daily chaos of city life, or if they are looking for any healing, be it medical, mental, or physical. So what exactly happens on a health holiday? From your check-in till your check-out, you will always be surrounded by experts who will guide you for your better self. किसी भी wellness program को शुरू करने से पहले, you have to meet a doctor who will understand your lifestyle and your concerns. Hello, doctor. Namaste. Yes. And based on that, suggest a diet plan and a daily routine for you. They are all highly qualified professionals, therapists and doctors. Be it disturbed sleep, irritable bowel system, weight issues or even a serious ailment, the healing team here believes that naturopathy can cure anything. आहार ही आपकी औषधि है, which means food is your medicine. Based on your lifestyle, concerns and characteristics, your meal will be customized for you. In Ayurvedic terminology, each individual is categorized into 3 different body types: Vata, Pitta and Kapha, which means air, fire and water. Understanding my lifestyle and concerns, the doctor has identified me as a Vata personality और मेरे लिए एक डाइट प्लान कस्टमाइज किया गया है along with दिनचर्या which is my daily routine. So शुभ काम में देरी कैसी?
आपके लिए एक ऐसा रूटीन सेट किया जाएगा जिसे फॉलो कर आप कुछ ही दिनों में अपनी बॉडी में एक बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस महसूस करेंगे.
यहाँ रोज वॉक करना कंपलसरी है. ये आपके दिनचर्या मतलब डेली रूटीन का हिस्सा है. बट देयर इज वेरी लिटिल टू कंप्लेन क्योंकि ये बहुत ही रिफ्रेशिंग है. इट लेट्स यू declutter your mind and spend some time with nature. वैसे तो ये प्रॉपर्टी 32 acres में स्प्रेड आउट है, बट 70% ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी इज कवर्ड इन ग्रीनरी. So this is hydrotherapy, जिसे foot reflexology भी बोला जाता है. हमारी body के सारे nerves feet पर end होते हैं, and with this therapy, whichever organs are associated with those nerves, उन्हें nourishment मिलती है, उनका functioning better होता है, and it also improves the blood circulation.
I'm sure you're wondering how much does it cost to be on a health holiday. To enroll for your favorite program at Nimba, you have 3 accommodation options. A Mukha, which costs 6,500 per night for single occupancy, Samukha, which costs 7,000 rupees, and Pramukha, which costs 8,000 rupees. You can even get your medical history or clinical reports in case you need a consultation or want to pre-book your health package. For more information, you can just head to nimba.in.
To be honest, I want to stay here a little longer. But आप भी अगर इंस्पायर हो गए हैं मेरा एक्सपीरियंस देखकर अपने आप को एक हेल्थ हॉलिडे गिफ्ट करने का, well, then head to Nimba Nature Cure. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Curly Tales. Until next time, it's me Kamiya Jani signing off.